Hello ma'am, this is Soundaraj and my teammates are Anivirudan and Abrar Ulhaq. Now I am just gonna show you the demo of our project ma'am. It is already we have just mentioned in our review too that we have combined AES and triple DS algorithm to give a hybrid encryption. Now we propose that we will be doing random encryption with these algorithms RSA, Blowfish, triple DS and AES. I am just created a hybridizer module that hybridizes these four algorithms in a random manner. I will just be explaining you the code after the live demo. In main module, I have just written the code for encryption in this inside this encryption button, and similarly for decryption in this decryption button. Now I will just show you the live demo, ma'am. And just I'm just entering our names, ma'am, and I'll just give encrypt. See, now you can see, ma'am, that the text is getting encrypted in three stages. The first two stages are completely randomly generated. For this demo purpose, I have included what algorithms are used here. 1 and 3, ma'am. 1 and 3 stands for AES and Blowfish respectively. I'll just show you that where. See, we have created objects for the classes AES, triple DES, Blowfish, and RSA. 1, 2, 3, and 4, ma'am. With this respective order, it will get executed. So I'll just show you the demo. Now it is getting encrypted in two phases, with this being the first one, which is AES, and this being the third one, Blowfish. Now if I give decrypt, it will get decrypted in the reverse order, like nested brackets concept. The bracket which is opened at last should be closed first. So first, this the RSA algorithm gives this output. So I'm decrypting this with RSA algorithm to get this output, and this is decrypted with the Blowfish algorithm to give this text, and this is decrypted with AES algorithm to give our plain text. So as I said, this is completely random, and the number of algorithms chose and the order in which these algorithms are executed is completely random. I can just show you another example. Now we have just encrypted it like this. When I give this encrypt for the same text, it gets executed in a different order. As you may see, for the demo purpose I have included it. Now it is getting encrypted in 3-2-3-1-2 order. So now you can see it is encrypted in 3-1-2 order. When I give decrypt, it will be decrypted back to the original text. So when I give it again, it gets again encrypted in a different order, say here 1-2-3. So when I give decrypt, it will be decrypted in the respective order. So coming to the hybridizer class, here I have just used a random class of the available in Java to first generate a number which gives me the number of algorithms to be used, and with that I will be using a for loop to generate those many number of random numbers between 1 and 3 to find my numbers. I have used other list array to ensure that the number does not get repeated. For example, if 3, it should come as 312 and not as 331. So I will be using an array, and I will check every time whether the number which is generated is already in the array. If it is not in the array, I will just add it in the array, and I will just append that random value to my output text. If it is there in my array, so the number has been already generated, so I want a different number. So what I will do is, I will just decrement the increment count, so that the for loop gets executed for another time, so that I will get the third value, and I will be returning this at last. And in the main method, firstly, for encryption, I just get this order, and with this order I encrypt the data, and I finally display it. In the decryption, what logic I use is the nested bracket logic. Like I am just reversing the string, the order of the string, and I will just be decrypting in the reverse order, so that I will get the output, and I will just display the output in the text3 box. Coming to the advantage and disadvantage of this project, it is highly secure, as we use multiple algorithms in a random manner and in a random order to encrypt. So the attacker has no idea that what this encrypted text is going to be. So high security, so that is the biggest advantage of this algorithm. And it has a disadvantage that the size of the encrypted text is a bit big, but it is a trade-off so that we get a very good encryption. Data highly confidential data in a big organizations can be encrypted using this project, so that the text is highly secure. uh, for the demo purpose only, I have included what algorithms are going to be used, and also this one, ma'am, like intermediate stages. I have just included this for the demo purpose to show you how it works. If it is implemented fully, like I won't have these three stages. I will remove this, and only the last text will be displayed in this box, and only the plain text will be displayed in this box. All the intermediate stages will be not displayed. So the hacker will only get this information with which he will not be able to come to any conclusion of what the output original plain text is going to be. So that is our project, ma'am. And this size is not with respect to the size of the plain text. Like if I give it with one alphabet also, I will be getting the same size. So it is almost constant all the time. That's all, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.